What is up, ladies and gentlemen? We're gonna take you on a rip on the original single track we made out here. Let's get it. Dope. This is the original loop Eric and I cut. On his property out here. Pretty technical, but yeah, up the hill. This is supposed to be our warm-up lap here, Eric. We're cheating today too. We've already got the studs in preparation for the ground to freeze up here and the snow to fly. So got some extra awesome traction today. It's good on this grass though. Grass is slippery. Come down here. Woo! Down the hill, and this is into our little drop that we made earlier this summer. Pretty fun. Getting a second gear here. Oh yeah, nice berm here. Nice hop there. Woo! This is an awesome new section here. The last turn into this berm, to the jump. That nice big log. Feeling the burn here. Oh. He's hauling ass today. Supposed to be warming up. This is the newest section in here. Whoa. Yeah, wrong gear, buddy. Woo! Feeling the burn. Holy fuck, dude. You're supposed to be warming up.
It's so fun.
It is too fun to go fast, but my God, I'm burning. Oh.